what's up? It's Kristen. Today I have another Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, click on my link below and you'll get $25 towards your first fix, and your first fix shipped to you for free. So click on that link, you'll get that $25, and if you like these kind of videos, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so here is my bundle. So let's rip it open. And in the box, you get the bundle. You get your style card. And my stylist is Loria. Okay, all tops. So we shall see. I'm not going to read the style card unless you guys want me to. Let me know in the comments down below if you are looking for that. So this fix isn't that bad. Prices aren't that bad. I don't have any credit, but that's okay. So you'll get this as well as your spreadsheet. So let's get into this and see what we got. All right. So first item we have here looks like a cardigan from Love Ellie, and this is super cute. I do love these colors. This is so me. I love gray and white. And here it is. And this is by Love Ellie, Sophia striped cardigan in gray, size extra small. This is super cute. I love this. It has some slits on the side. And it does look like the one I got in my last Stitch Fix. I think that was a different brand. I'm not sure which one it was. But it was super cute. This top is Stitch Fix. I absolutely love it. So it's super cute. All right. Next we have here is a cropped sweater. It's green, like an olive green and white. That's super cute too. It's very soft. Here's what the material looks like. And it's Cotton Emporium Finian cropped chenille pullover. Super cute. I can't wait to show you guys this. I like that a lot as well. Next we have is, this is like a dolman style top here. It is like gray and black. And this is by Kayla. And it's the Eunice brushed dolman knit top in gray. So let's see, it looks like it has some like lines in the front. So we'll see what it looks like it's on. You can't really tell. All right, next we have is another cardigan. It's straight front because they know I don't like anything. This is like butter. This is like super cute. It's gray, tan, gray, white, and black. And it is so soft. Here is the material. I love this feeling of this. Pink Clover, Peyton color block cardigan in beige, size extra small. That is like one of the most softest things I've tried from Stitch Fix. All right, next we have here is a top, and it has navy and like some stripes, and in the back it has like a cutout. It's a little bit different. I don't own anything like this. This is Letty and Me. And this is Carly split back button detail pullover. Okay, so those are my items, and I'm gonna come back and try everything on for you guys. So just stay with me. Okay, first item we have here is the cardigan. I did like this looking at it, and I put it on, it's like really super baggy in the front. I thought it was a little bit more flat, but it feels like there's just like so much extra material right here. But I do absolutely love this style. Here it is. It is super soft. It didn't have this extra material in the front. I would have definitely purchased this. So I'm on the fence about this. It does have the slit up the sides. So there it is. And this is the cardigan. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Okay, next we have is this green top. It is super cute. I think it would look better with like jeans. I just have it on with some leggings and a white top, but I do think this is super cute. It is short though. The sleeves are kind of short. I don't know, kind of feels a little tight in the arms, but I do like this a lot. It is super cute. Here is the material. It is chenille, so it is very comfortable. So yeah, I do like this a lot. Okay, next we have is this cardigan that felt like butter. This fits amazing. I do like this a lot. I don't know how much it costs, but look how it is. It's the black, the white, the gray, and then the tan at the top. Here's the material. It feels like butter, just like when I pulled it out of the box, and it is super adorable. I do like this really a lot. So let me know what you guys think. It fits really nice. It's flat in the front. Don't like anything else that way. Don't like any bagginess in the front. And this is super cute. Okay, next guys is this top. It's a dolman type top. It does have like lines right here, which brings it in, but it is super baggy and it does like do a high-low, but I do like the material. Here it is. It's like a gray and black stripe. Let me know what you guys think. It is cute. I'm not sure how much it is, but it does fit very nice. So we shall see how much it costs. Okay, last but not least is this top. I'm not a fan at all. It has these buttons right here, which I think are kind of different. In the back, I just don't like how it pokes out like this. It just is super baggy and I don't like it. I do like the front though. It is cute and very nice. It fits nice, but I just don't like the sleeves. It's just dated for me. I don't really care for it. And this back is just really weird. I don't like that at all. So what I'm gonna do is come back, let you guys know my final thoughts, prices, everything like that. So just stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm back. Let's see. So let's go over the items and the prices and then see how much the total for my box was. So the first item was this, what is this brand? Letty and Me. I didn't really care for this at all. The back was kind of weird and it's just not my style at all. So this one will be going back. It is $42. So that is a pass on that. Next, this top was okay. It was just a little bulky for me. I do like dolmans, but this was kind of like a short dolman. This is the Kayla top, and this was the cheapest item in the box, and it was $38. Not bad, but I don't really need it. Next we have here is this cardigan. It's by Pink Clover, and this was adorable. Super cute, and it was $44. So I'm on the fence about that one as well. I do like it a lot. This was my favorite item out of the whole box, this piece, which is this top. I know it's going to be like $40 or $44. This is $44 by Cotton Emporium. I do like this, so this is a definite maybe. I have to look back at the video and see what I look like in it, so yeah. Last but not least is this cardigan, and I did like it when I pulled it out, but then it was just too much material in the front, and it was by Love Ellie, and it was $44. So the total from the box was $212. Buy all 5 discount $53, so it brings it to $159. Not bad. I just didn't get any pants. It was all tops and cardigans, which I think they kind of think I like cardigans, which I do. So yeah, I'll let you guys know in the comments down below what I decided to keep. I'm not sure yet. I'm really loving that olive chenille top, so we shall see. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, please like and subscribe, and my name is Kristen. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.